This is tutorial number 86, and it covers how to add texture and materials to the rim and dish for your tire within SOLIDWORKS. Now to start off, open up the rim either from the DVD or the one that you made, and also open up the dish that you've made with the bolt patterns, or the one that's on the DVD. It's up to you. And what we're going to do in this tutorial is we're going to apply materials for both of these that we're going to use when we're creating our final assembly. So when making the material selection, it's up to you what you want to use. When I'm making it though, what I'm going to do is that for the rim and the dish, I'm going to make them the same material so that it blends in together. If you have two different materials or two different textures, you'll start from one and stop on the other. So I'm going to keep the same material going on. So you can either select a material through here, so you can right click, click edit material, and you can choose from a list on the side here. So I'll choose an aluminum alloy, I'll choose 2014, click OK, and now we have that material applied to the rim. Now let's take this off, so let's right click on it, click edit material, click remove material, click OK, and now we have no material selected again. For the material, what I would suggest is using the PhotoWorks. So go into PhotoWorks, and under all the materials, you can choose what type you want to make, like what kind of texture you want it to be. So under metal, there's a bunch. There's steel, chrome, aluminum, so it's up to you what you want to use. Now let's make this chrome. So let's double click on chrome, and then you can choose a different type of chrome that you want to have. I'm going to choose the matte chrome. So I'm going to select it, and instead of putting it on face by face, I'm just going to drag it onto the name of the part right there. So I'm going to drag and drop it, and now it's on the whole part. And if we use PhotoWorks to render it, we're going to see the chrome put onto the rim. And again, because of lighting and everything, everyone's is going to be different, but now we have a chrome rim there. So now let's switch over to the dish, and let's do the same to that. Let's make it chrome, the matte chrome, put it onto the highest level there, let it apply, and let's render it. And now we've added the material or the texture to the dish. So now when you use it, you select whichever one, whichever material, whatever kind you want. I would just suggest to make sure that both the dish and the rim both have the same material, and you're good to go. And that concludes our tutorial on how to select the material or texture for your rim and dish for your tire assembly in SOLIDWORKS.